What's up, you guys? I got a lot of questions about these two miners, the KD box and the HS box. And one of the primary questions is how to withdraw it and how to make it into real money. So I'm going to show that in this video. All right, so I use Hotbit actually because it has both coins, the KDA and the HNS. So all you got to do is go to wallet, deposit, and then you type in the coin that you want. So in this case, we're going to do handshake. And then you have the deposit address over here. Now you copy that and you go to your DX pool where you have all your miners, and then you go to your wallet. I've already withdrawn my KDA. So we go to withdraw over here, and it's going to show the address. We do paste the amount, I'm going to do all, and then you need to set up a password. I already did it. It's going to have to be like a 6-digit password, I think. And you're also going to need to set up an SMS code. It's going to send you an SMS just for confirmation. 531, there we go. And then you press submit, and that's how easy it is. And then you have it withdrawn actually. Right guys, it's about an hour later and we have received it. The HNS is over here, and now we're going to exchange it into USDT. There's a trade option right here. You can also trade it into BTC, so Bitcoin. Same with KDA, you can do both. We're gonna go into USDT because that's just easier. And then I'm gonna click one of the buy orders right here, and then click 100% sell. And then it's gonna say how much per coin. And then I say confirm, and that's it. And it's gonna say the order right here. I'm just gonna wait for somebody to fill it. So if it's not completely filled, I'm just gonna cancel it. I'm just gonna sell the whole amount anyway. So let's see who is buying. I'm gonna grab the top one, and again, 100%. There we go. So, okay. This will sort it out, and yes, now we have sold everything, and now it's in USDT. Now all you gotta do is change the USDT into dollars or euros or whatever, and take it to your bank account, or you can send it to another exchange. Personally, I'm gonna send it to Binance because that's where I trade on, but that's completely up to you guys. I do really recommend Hotbit because if you send KDA to Qcoin, you actually not receive anything. So Hotbit is really the best place for the HNS and the KDA box. It's actually because of the blockchain, because I believe Qcoin supports like KDA 1, but Hotbit supports KDA 0, which is also the same thing that DX pool supports. But anyway, just so you know, I really recommend Hotbit. So anyways, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video.